After this, write a function get city equal to alert city list dot length. City list dot length. Now, how this function I will call? Onload. Onload equal to call this function city list. As you run this page, once your page will refresh, automatically it will give you the length. Confirm also, are you getting the length? It should be like this. When we run this file, alert will come. Length is how many? 2. Length is 2. Now go to the function and let's generate the number of division. So like this, data equal to, we have written in the last also, map you have to run city list dot map. Name of the city as well as index of the city. Come inside, data equal to data plus, open the maybe p tag, and then after that close the p tag, another line, not in the same line. Open the t tag, close the p tag. If you write in one line, then also happens same, but we have a plan to write more code. So we made it separate. Now data equal to data plus. You will write here name variable, semicolon. So you can see in the data itself what we did. Here, first line you put a paragraph, last line you close the paragraph, and between you added the name. So paragraph open, paragraph close, and in between name of the city. Finally, once the loop is over, document get element by ID. Which ID? This one. Call it a container. In container dot inner HTML data variable. Save now. Refresh your page. You should see the list of, no, not happen. Why not happen? Container.inner HTML equal to data, right? Container is ID here, yes. City list.map name city is okay. All is fine. Why not? Similar error. Printing anything? What mistake in this? Oh, data is not defined. Problem is not that. Problem is here. You are using the data directly here. You have not defined anywhere. You must have to define in the beginning. Where data equal to empty. Where data equal to empty. Then it should work. Okay, something like this. Two cities coming. It's. If you add this line, then definitely this should work. And container we have here. If alert was coming in the beginning, this should work. Okay, let me see once. Something not like this. Printed. Okay, if it is printed, then this paragraph you have written, right? We have paragraph only, no? Write a small CSS, so it looks valuable. It's coming the left side directly. Style tag open close. No one reply yes no in the chat. Style open close. Right inside p tag. p tag. Padding you can write 15-20 px, 20 px. Box shadow you can write 0 px, 0 px, 5 px. Blue color. Then text align center. Text align center you can write. Then width also you can write. Margin also you can write. Padding don't give in this. The right is a percentage. 1%. Margin give 3%. So 3 and 1, 4%. Okay, so 4% left, 4% right. And display inline block. Display colon inline hyphen line inline hyphen block. Display inline hyphen block. Display hyphen inline block. Now your page should look like this. Padding 1%, margin 3%, 2%. Okay, give padding also 3% and margin 2%, 5% from left, 5% from right. Then it will be something like this. Big will come. Check it once. If your JavaScript was working well, then this also should come. Automatically CSS will get applied. In padding, okay, printing something like this. A different. The height we can reduce little. So you can see here, padding we have given top 3%, make top 1%. Top 1%, left, right 3%, bottom also 1%. This way you can split it. You can give 1%. 1%, 3%, 1%. Right. Next, we need to make save part functional. When we click on save button, it should add the new element inside the array. Full script to script is sent in your chat. Please check once. Full script to script is sent to your chat. Okay, ready? Now, see on button click, which function you are calling? Save function. So we have to write a function called save. Write a function called save. Save function will have a alert called hi. Click on save button. See, are you getting the alert? Click on save button and see, are you getting any alert? Hmm. Alert once we click save button, hi will come. Now instead of hi, one new city should get added under the list. So let's go here, write a variable temp equal to the right called test city temp equal to test city. Write there document dot get element by id, which id? New city. Okay, hold on. First remove this. Try adding the temp. So your city name, your array name is called city list. Array name is city list. That is out of the function. You can see this. What we have written? City list is out of the function. It is a global variable. If you write the city list variable inside the get city, it will become a local variable. If it is a local variable, you cannot add the new city. So what we have made? We have made the city list as a global variable, so that in the global variable, we can add also, we can list also, and we can delete also. Now city list dot, you will call the post function, and inside that post you will pass a temp. 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 Okay, city list dot push, it will go as a temp. Now after adding here, you alert saying like city is added, city is added, city is added. City is added. Now come down. After that, check once. Alert message will come, city is added. Alert message will come, city is added. Check now, button click, alert message is coming, city is added. If the city is added, is it showing in the page? Check now. After that, if you click on button, message is saying city is added. If city is added, then it should show in the page, no? Is it showing? It is not showing. So we can't believe it's added or not. So now let us do that. You have a function called getCity, right? GetCity function we have. This getCity function you can call here. GetCity function you can call here. For what purpose? To refresh the list. To reload. Reload the list. To reload the list. To reload the list after adding new record. After adding new record. Okay, right. So now what is happening? How many times you will click on the button? That many time it will say city is added. And what is that? Test city. City is added. Test city. City is added. Test city. It will keep adding. Where? In the last. See, it's getting added. But this should be dynamic. What value you enter here, that value should come. Okay, every time it's happening, test city, that value should come what we are going to enter here. Now let's go and this test city you have written. I remove that and write here document dot get element by ID. Which ID? New city. You have ID here, no? Text box ID is new city. So you will take the value from new city dot value. The new city dot value we take and store under the temp. And after that temp will go to the city list. Empty box. Empty box, why it will come? New city is the value variable. Dot value, you cannot click on button without entering the value. Enter here Pune and then click on save. Pune will add here. Enter here Mumbai, then click on save. Mumbai will come there. Enter here call Delhi. Click on save. Delhi will come. What city name you will enter, that city will appear in the. So hope coming. It is not very hard and difficult code. In the very less code of HTML and less code of HTML and JavaScript, you are able to save, you are able to list. So let's share the save function. Thank you. Okay, ready? Now come next. We need to clear the text field. So how to clear the text field? Come down. After this, in the last, you can write one line. Document.getElement by ID. City, new city dot value equal to empty. This will clear the text field. Right here to clear the text field. To clear text field. It will clear the text field. Error. Okay. Check now. Let's go here. Enter call Mumbai and click on save. Mumbai added. Text box become clear. Right here, can say Kolkata. Click on save. Kolkata city added. Text box become clear. Now we should be able to delete also. The division container where you are displaying the data, it's printing from left side. Can we apply align property here? So that it will print in the center everything. Align property. appear in the center now. Right, something like this. Now next is delete part. How to delete? So there is a two way. One, you will keep a button called delete last element. It will delete always from the last. We'll create a button, delete first element. It will always delete from the first. And one button will be there that will delete from anywhere, wherever you want. So let's keep a button. Keep a button right inside delete one, if here remove last one, delete two, remove first one, remove last one, remove first one. R is missing. Okay, ready? So next, we have to write two functions. First function, remove last, remove first. If you click on remove last, Chennai will remove. Click on remove first, then Bangalore will remove. So write one function, delete first, function, delete first, delete first, delete first. Next, after that, write inside your array name is city list dot pop. So from the city list, last element will get removed. And again, you need to reload the city. After deleting, you need to reload the city. Reload after delete. Remove last element. Got it? Delete that. See, the last element is going. Remove last. Remove last. It will remove. See, Chennai is there. No? Chennai is gone. Now Bangalore become last. Bangalore will go. Let me write here call A, B, C. Now I will remove last. So what will go? C will go. Remove last. Now B become last. So B will go. Now A become last. A will go. Now again delete last. Which one? Chennai will go. Now Bangalore become last and first. This will also go. So that how pop function will work. Copy the same. Paste after this. Delete to city list dot unsift. City list dot unsift. Unsift will remove first element. First element. And reload after delete. So it will remove from the beginning. First button will remove from the last, second button will delete from the beginning. You tell me a splice, what is the use of that? पढ़ा है ना स्प्लाइस क्या कर रहा हूँ okay we'll see splice also splice will delete from the given element given position are you giving the position in this you're not giving position no? You are just simply saying delete last you are saying simply delete first so for that function is push pop and unshift pop function will remove from the last unshift function will remove from the beginning let me show you now I'll add here call A. Let's add call B. Let's add call C. Let's add call D. Okay. Next, after that, I'll delete the first. So what should go? Bangalore. Not happen. Something wrong? We called or not? Delete to. In delete to, city list dot not unsift. It should be shift. Unshift will add and shift will delete. City list dot shift. Now it should remove. Remove from the beginning. It's going. Chennai will go. Remove from the last. This will go and this will go. Shift. Function is called shift. Using the slice, we can add also, we can delete. So check now, this two is happening. This is the function two line is a code inside. Delete two, you should call on second button click. Delete one, you should click on first button. That's all. Delete will happen. You can show me if not working on the video. Okay, working. They said working. But 2% is active, other are inactive. अच्छा ये पे से login है. Bihar is no answer. Okay. See you, Sanjeevani. See the error. City list dot delete two you have written. Come down. Delete. Oh, there is a difference here. Can you see D is capital? There D is small. So Java say function is case sensitive. Case sensitive. Should be the same. First one is modified. Okay, check now. It will work. Okay, now we have one more way to delete. We can delete according to our wish, not only the first and not only the last. Okay, like suppose I added one more. Chennai is in between. To delete Chennai, you have to Bangalore, then you can reach to Chennai. To delete Chennai, you have to reach last one, then only you can reach to Chennai. Whether you delete from beginning, then delete first. Delete from last, then delete last. Then only we can reach till here. Okay. We wanted to do something like a button should be there everywhere. Whichever you want to delete, click on that particular will go. So for that, first you write a function called delete me. Function del me. Inside that, write called index, position of the array. Alert. Index. Del me index. Okay, now tell me function we need to call. So how to call? Let's come up to your list. You have written here paragraph open, paragraph close. After the name field, write again one line, data equal to data plus, open a button, right called delete, and close the button. Delete, close the button. Okay, delete, close the. Okay, next after this, before button, write one BR also, so that button will print in the new line. Else button and name both will print in the same line. Now you see, if you run the page, for every item, delete button will come. Because this line we wrote within the p tag only. This we wrote within the p tag. Come in. If now button is coming, delete, delete. Write one more BR. More space will get applied. Write one more BR. So more space will get applied from top to bottom. Something like this. If you add a new element, for that also automatically delete button will get added. Because it is running inside the loop. Here p tag is the parent. Inside the p tag, first name will come, BR will apply. After BR, button will come. Sequence button appear. Now we need to write the functionality for that. On click of this button, you need to call this function. Call tell me. Okay, so look, go here. Inside that, on click. On click equal the function call del me. You will not break the line. You write continuous. Automatically it will break the line. Del me. After calling the del me, you can see inside the del me button, you are receiving the index. So in del me button here, now to pass the index, directly you cannot pass like this. Directly this way you cannot pass this index variable. Because it is already inside the double quote and single quote, we have to break the double quote and push the index inside. Concat the index. You have to do the concatenation of index. Do the concatenation of index. Hope we added. On click of delete, see alert is coming. First is 0 Bangalore, Chennai is 1. If you add anything new, index will come automatically. 2, then 3, right? 4, something like this. Next, we will call to the del function. Del b function, and whichever the index you are passing, that given index element should get removed. For that, we have separate function. You saw one function we saw, that is called push, will add the new element at last. Another function is called pop, will remove the element from the last. We have a function called shift, will remove the element from the beginning. Now this is called delme. It will help you. It has a function called splice function. Splice function will receive the index and it will delete one element from the given index. You can delete two elements also. Okay, so let's write here. City list dot splice index comma at a time how many you want to delete, where you click that only or more than that. Like for every item now you have the delete button, correct? For every item we have the delete button. So on the click of delete, how many you want to delete? Only one or multiple? Only one. So for that you have to write 1. If you write 2, then on given index it will delete 2. If you write 3, then from given index it will delete 3. If you write 1, then suppose here in my page, Bangalore is available on 0 position. If I click on this delete, only one element will delete from the given position. That is called Bangalore. C I have in the last. If I click here, it will delete only one from the given position. If you want to delete 2, you can give 2 and delete on B. So B and C both will get deleted. Current element as well as next element. From given position, current plus next both will get removed. Now after deleting, again call the function, not a splice function, a splice. Call the get city. It will help you to delete from the anywhere. Whichever you want, you can delete that. Check now. Deleting those elements where you clicked. That is called saving the data, listing the data, deleting from the last, deleting from the beginning, and deleting from anywhere. You should do a strong practice. You can create similar page, user page, give the username, click on save button, it should list, delete the user, again create a something item name, item page, enter the item name, click on save, list will happen, click on delete, delete will happen. So practice is required. Then next example will be much easy to understand. But if you will not practice on this, next example will be difficult to understand. That will be nested array, array of objects. how to add, how to list, how to. So you can try this, and I will design one or two photo, or what one or two photo. This page you saw here, no? What we are doing? We are entering the name of city, click on save, coming, delete happening, right? Similar way, create one more page user, their text box, enter the name, click on save button, that should list here. And again, delete from the, click on delete, will get delete from here. Create one more file, something called product, enter some product name, click on save, list will happen. Every item will have delete button, click on delete, delete will happen. Similar way, create one page called company, inside ask the company name, click on save. Next, save once you do, list will happen, and again delete, delete will happen. 3-4 example if we try, it will be good practice.